How are you today?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. Is it a nice day today?
No.
No, it's snowing outside, freezing. Well, okay, we'll get warmer now. What can we see on the map? Countries. This is the Arab world country, this is the world country, and this is the Arab world country. Now, do you know Syria?
Yes.
Yes, we live in Syria. Who can show me Syria on the map, please? Thank you so much, that is Syria. Now, Iraq. Who can show me Iraq? Yes, please. Thank you so much. Yeah, that is Iraq. Now, let's go to Egypt. Who can show me Egypt on the map? Please, again, come. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, that is Egypt. Now let's come. Can we see Italy in the map of our world?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Can you show me it?
This is Italy.
Yes, it's in the shape of a boot. Thank you very much. Greece is next to Italy. Who can show us Greece? I can show you Greece. Greece is here. This is Greece. Okay? Well, now I gave you the map, and our lesson is English because our lesson today is about writing. Will you please open your books? Take the students with the smell. Page 68. Page 68. Will you please have a look at this page? Here you can see the same map here, the same map, but we have some arrows with kinds of writing. Now, I want the one who has the Greek ancient writing to come here. Greek ancient writing, please come here and show the students who has the Greek ancient. Please come. Show your friends. So this is
Ancient Greek writing.
yes, the ancient Greek writing. After we see these cards, we're going to write the names of the countries on the lines. Okay? Thank you. Sit down. Now, please come. What is this called? Yes?
This is simple pictogram.
Simple pictogram. The simple pictogram was in Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is the name that was called to the land between Euphrates and who knows? Tigris. And now it is Iraq. Thank you very much. Now the following one, please come. What do you have to show your friends?
Roman alphabet writing.
Roman alphabet writing. Look, it's the same writing English people and French people use nowadays. Thank you very much. Now, who else? Please.
Uniform.
This is the cuneiform. Cuneiform, it is called like this because let me show you something. This is a nail. This is a nail. They used nails to scribe on clay using reed. And this is the reed. This is the reed. They used this to scribe on clay. You know, clay is earth with water. Thank you. Sit down, please. Who else? Please. I think nobody knows this kind of writing. Show them. Do you know this kind of writing?
Yes.
It's Arabic.
This is Arab writing.
Thank you so much. Yes, please. Now, please. Hieroglyphics. Do you know where hieroglyphics writing was?
In Egypt.
In
In
Egypt.
Egypt. Thank you so much. Yeah, please sit down. Thank you. Now we have, please come.
This is Chinese characters.
Chinese characters used to be written on tortoise shell. On a tortoise shell. Thank you so much. Sit down. Do you know now kinds of writing of our lesson? Our lesson is about writing and the history of writing. Now, I will give you just 3 minutes. Every two students, please look together at the picture in your book and try to put the names of the countries on your book in 3 minutes. After that, we're going to come to the board and write the names on the board. Okay? Please do. Have you finished?
Yes.
Good. Now, I want now someone to come and to write letter A. What country is letter A, please? Italy. Thank you. Please come to the board. Can you write Italy on the board? Please. Thank you very much. Letter B, please. Greece. Letter C, please. China. Come to the board, please, and write. Thank you. Yes, please.
Arab world.
Arab world. Can you come to the board and write? The Arab world is letter D. Letter E. The last one.
Egypt.
Egypt. Can you write Egypt? Please. Letter F. Who didn't come? Yes, the red-colored girl. It is letter F. What is it?
Iran.
Iraq. What is the old name of the people in Iraq? Mesopotamia. Thank you. And yes, please. Iraq again, and it's second. So F and G are both for Iraq. You want to write it again? It's okay. She likes writing. Okay. Any questions about this part?
No.
Now we know the kinds of writings, and let me just write something. The title of our lesson is Writing. Is it Unit 8?
Yes.
Unit 8. And today is Thursday. Is it the 16th of February 2017. So we can say 2017, it's okay, and we can say 2017. Now we move to the second part of the lesson. We're going to write the first half of the text. I'm going to give you 4 minutes to read. And while you are reading, I'm going to write some questions on the board. Have a look at them while reading to find out the answers to the questions. Okay? Please start. Have you finished?
Yes.
Thank you. Well, who can read question number 1, please?
How long have human beings been writing their language for?
How long, please?
Human beings have been writing their language for over 5,000 years.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Full answer. Number 2 from, yes.
When did the methodology start?
When did the methodology start? Yes.
Methodology started in Mesopotamia in about 3000 BCE.
So it started in Mesopotamia in,
About 3000 BCE.
thank you very much. And who can tell me difference between BCE and CE? BCE is, please?
Before Christian era.
Before Christian era, and CE is the same. So do you know what we call it after Christ? It's Anno Domini, AD. Anno Domini means after Christ. Thank you. Now here we have 2 sentences to say correct or false. Please.
All people knew how to write. False.
False. Not all people
Certain.
knew how to write, just some of them. Yes.
The Chinese wrote on tortoise shells. True.
True. Thank you very much. Now, any question about this? Do you have any new word that you didn't understand the meaning while you were reading?
No.
No. let's move to the second half of the text here. Again, 4 minutes, silent reading. I'm going to write some questions on the board. After that, we do them. Please start. Sorry, just before we start reading, I put a line here. How long have human beings been writing their languages? I just want you to concentrate a little. We're going to talk about later. How long, question word, have been writing. Just concentrate on them. We're going to talk about them later. Okay? Now start reading. Okay? Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Number one, we start from here, please. Read question word.
Who pioneered the alphabet?
Who pioneered the alphabet, please?
The Phoenician pioneered the alphabet.
Thank you very much. The Phoenicians. The Phoenicians pioneered the alphabet. Yes, please.
How many letters does the Roman alphabet have?
How many letters, please?
The Roman alphabet has 26 letters.
Thank you very much. Now from this area, yes, please. Read question number 3.
In what one is Arabic similar to Chinese?
In what way is Arabic similar to Chinese? Who knows? Please.
It has 28 letters like Chinese.
Thank you very much. And
And right,
from the right
to
to the left. Thank you very much. Now, after we have answered some questions about the text, I want you now to have a look for just 1 minute, because you read the lesson, just 1 minute. Have a look at the questions on the book so that we answer these questions. And I'm going to clean the board, you're going to come and write, okay? So take 1 minute until I clean the board, you prepare for the answers. Check your understanding. Okay, please. Number 1, yes. It's letter A. Letter A, read it please.
What were the main uses of pictograms in Mesopotamia?
Thank you. Can I have the answer, please?
To communicate economic information like groups and tribes.
Thank you. Can you write it on the board? Bring your book, please. And this is the black color marker. Number 2, please.
What kind of people knew how to write uniform symbols?
What kind of people? Please.
Scribes.
Scribes. We call them scribes. Now, can you use another pen? We can divide the board to 2 sides. Can you write scribes on the board? Sorry. Letter C. Yes. Go on. How did the Chinese write their characters?
The Chinese wrote their characters on tortoise shells.
Thank you very much. So come here, please, and write the letter C. Okay. Letter D, please.
Why do so many modern European countries use the Roman alphabet?
Yes, so many European countries use the same Roman alphabet. Why? Yes, lady?
They were part of the Roman Empire 2,000 years ago.
Thank you very much. So they were in the same Roman Empire. So they were under the rule of the Roman Empire. Thank you. Can you write it on the board? Can you? If you can't, you can. Yes, okay. This is a marker. Is there a marker there? Good. Write the letter so that your friends know what question they are answering. Yeah, write it there. Yes.
How is written Arabic different from a system based on the Roman alphabet?
So we answer the question how Arabic is similar to Chinese. Now, how it is different from the Roman, please?
Arabic is written from right to left and 28 letters.
Thank you very much. Yeah, come and write it here. This is letter E. Last one, letter F. I want you, pupils, yes, the one, please. Read it.
In what way are Chinese and Arabic writing similar? Why do you think this is?
Yeah, we answered this before. Can you say it? What is the similarity between Chinese and Arabic?
They are
Yes, they both have.
They both have 28 letters and write
From right?
from right to left.
Thank you very much. Can you write it on the board? We wrote it. We just wrote it where we were answering. Do we need to write it again on the board? Okay, come and write it on the board. Until your friend finishes writing, let's have some questions about the whole lesson. Who can tell me 3 kinds of writing we just taken?
Uniform Chinese characters.
Uniform Chinese characters,
Or pictograms.
pictograms. Thank you. Who can continue? We still have
Arabic writing, hieroglyphics, and ancient Greek writing.
Thank you very much. And what do we call the people or the area known now as Iraq? In the past, it was called what?
Region between Euphrates and Tigris river.
Thank you. So this is called Mesopotamia, the region between Euphrates and Tigris. Thank you so much. Now, I want you to have a look, a quick look. Do you remember the sentence I told you about to concentrate on?
Yes.
It is subject. First we started with the question word.
How long?
How long? Then have.
Been.
Then been. Then
Writing.
verb ing. This is called present perfect continuous tense. Now, I'm going to play the audio, and while we play the audio, when we meet a sentence that has have verb 3 or have been verb ing, I want you to raise your hand. Just raise your hand and put it down, okay? Let's play the audio.
Unit 8, Writing. Page 69, Exercise 4. 8.1. Now read the article, then listen to it to check your answer from Exercise 3. The history of writing.
Human beings have been writing their languages for over 5,000 years. The methodology started in Mesopotamia in about 3000 BCE, when people living in the region developed a kind of writing to record and pass on information. The Mesopotamians used pictograms mainly to communicate economic information.